नमस्कार मित्रांनो.
Hello friends, welcome to Maharashtra Daura. It was Diwali, so I came to Saklewadi to meet my friends and I found out that Kurdugad is nearby. So who will miss such an opportunity? Let's see Kurdugad today. Due to the Sahyadri mountain range, Maharashtra is divided into three parts, namely Konkan, Sahyadri and Ghatmatha or plateau. From the time immemorial, the merchandise that came to the Konkan coast used to go to the market through various routes. The Kundalika River originates at Bira Dam and joins the Arabian Sea near Korlai. Commercial goods from this river used to go to the market through Tamini Ghat. Chains of forts were built to protect such trade routes. Kurdugad was built as the guardian of Tamini Ghat. To reach Kurdugad, you have to reach Mangaon by bus or train. From there, take a bus or tum-tum to reach the base village Jite Saklewadi.
साधारण 1-1.5 तास आम्ही चालतोय.
We have been walking for about an hour and a half. My friend is talking. We have to walk until the front cone comes up. Means we need to walk for at least another hour. We reach Kurdugadi in 2.5 hours from the base village. Finally, we reach the village of Kordupet. The Kolnich front is Kurdugad. One thing to keep in mind is that there will no water on the way from Saklewadi to here. So drink water here or bring plenty of water when you come. Otherwise, you will be anxious with thirst. If you go up to the steps dug in the rock, you will see the ruined entrance. There is a water tank on the left side of the entrance.
मंडळी आपण कुर्डुगडवर पोहोचलो.
We reach Kurdugad. When you reach here, you first see a water tank. The tank holds water for 12 months. This tank supplies water to the village of Kurdugadi below. Kurdugad is also called Vishramgad. The fort is 2020 feet above sea level.
साधारणपणे या किल्ल्यावर
Generally, trekkers come to this fort, but very rarely. Nowadays, people start coming for rappelling and they live here.
मित्रांनो इथं आल्यावरती इतकं थंड वाटतं.
Actually, it feels cold to be here. It's too hot outside, and it feels as cold here as there should be a nearby water tank. There are two big cones in the fort. These cones are top of the fort. I benefited from being thin. Kurdugarh was one of the 65 forts built to protect the capital Raigad. The entire Konkan area can be seen from the fort. The idol of Hanuman with Mustaq is found on the fort. This Hanuman has crushed a demon named Panavati under his feet.
मित्रांनो अशा
Friends,
प्रकारे
this is how our journey was completed. Laksha was as a guide for us. Because of him, we made this trek convenient. This fort is in the difficult range. You can also come to the Kurdugarh to get the satisfaction of having a offbeat trek.